first version has black eyes, so if you have like black contacts, you can put those in now. I'm just gonna wait until the yellow center version, and then I'll put in my yellow contacts, but for now I'm just not gonna put any on. If you're doing a more natural look, you obviously don't have to do the face paint, but we're gonna do face paint. To prime for face paint, I like to use Lotion because I feel like it just primes better, but you could obviously go for a regular primer if you're doing a regular makeup. An Avon one that I've had for a while. It doesn't really matter what lotion you use, preferably one that's actually meant for your face, but... Alright, next step, we're gonna start... Actually, I'm gonna prime my lips too while I'm at it. My lips aren't super dry right now. If your lips are super dry, use a lip scrub right now, or a cheaper lip scrub. I'm just gonna use Chapstick because my lips are okay right now. What I'm using today will be this yellow one. It's a lot paler in person, from the Pastels Wet n Wild paint palette from the Fantasy Makers collection. You can also use Snazaroo in pale yellow, but as you can see, mine is really expired and disgusting, so I'm gonna throw this one away. And also, pale yellow by Snazaroo stains, and I don't really want it to stain, so I'm hoping this one won't stain, just because I feel like since this is a cream, it's gonna apply smoother with this rather than a paintbrush, which I use for aqua paints. So once you have a pretty even coat of yellow, you want to set it because it is cream paint. So if you have a light yellow powder, that will work the best. If you don't, use a translucent powder. Just using this translucent powder. If you have a transparent powder, that's even better. Even baby powder should do the trick. And I'm using this Pacman brush by Wet n Wild as well. Sponsored by Wet n Wild this year. Looks like I'll do some eyes. There's not much eyes. I'll probably just take this yellow and this Festival Profusion Cosmetics palette, or should I use this one? Take it and just put it on the eyelid. I've already made a pun, yeah, picking up steam, wonder why they call me hothead. Struck a deal with the devil, now I'm racking up debt. Yes, I made a dumb bet, don't need to get upset. I'm a cup of trouble, ever seen my mugshot yet? Stepping front on my finger. I'm using Avon True Color Glimmersticks in White Awake. And I'm just using it because it's small, so it'll be great for the inner corner. I mean in the waterline, not the inner corner. Next step is the little blushies. I kind of want to see how the orangey shade in the Pacman palette it would work for the blush. Orangey shade right here, the 600 shade, and I'm just gonna use this random brush that my sister got me for the little blush circles. Look like there about right here. Oh yeah, that's kind of cute. Okay.
Like a faucet, I'm a full cup, don't you ever try to top it.
We're gonna make the nose a little bit more pointed. I almost said Jew-like. Don't worry, I'm Jewish, but don't want to say that and get me in trouble. It'll still get me in trouble somehow. Prestige shade in the Vivacious palette, which is this one right here, to contour my nose, just to make it look a little bit thinner, because I don't know if I can make it look more jutted out. I'm gonna take a tiny brush like this, not super tiny, but not like big. Let's get closer so you can see me, so I don't hop off camera.
I'm meant to be drunk from, but not to be trusted. Heads up, hit the deck, Pacman. You don't really want to get your head busted. I'm a dirty dish who needs a rough scrubbing after doing these devilish things.
The eyebrows, we'll take a black. This is the black I always use for my brows. I really like it. But we're gonna do them a little bit not as shaped. We're gonna do them a little bit like just filling them in. Literally, that's it.
I'll stop this train even if it's on dead. Where's my ship's already?
The lips are technically black. Alright, so this completes phase 1. This wig is 10-inch wavy, 16-inch wavy by Wig is Fashion, one of them. You can also opt in for like an orangey color wig, but this one's really short and like a weird mullet style, so I didn't think it really matched in. I tried to like layer it on top of this one, but it just wasn't working out. When I put this flower crown on, it's one I made a really long time ago. You just get like a yellow flower bouquet, cut off the tops, put the leaves on the side of the headband, put that right there, and then your little Cagney Carnation. Alright, phase 2 isn't too much different. It's mostly just less features, more. So we're gonna wipe off the black. We're gonna put more yellow over the blush because the blush is not there anymore. And we're gonna use some eyeliner to make my eyes look more narrow, and we're gonna block out the brows. It says Gold Addiction. I'm not sure. It's Loreal. I'm using this one. And, I mean, you can still see the pink underneath, but I don't know. Maybe do a white first and then do it. If it rubs off, I'll do that next, but okay, well, I put some concealer over my brows to help, and while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm just gonna go right in here. Not doing a wing or anything, literally just putting something there to kind of deepen it up a little bit. Black Avon Glimmersticks Liquid Glide on the, well, maybe. Alright, this is the finished look for phase 2. Stage 3, stage 3, stage 3. These contacts are Solar Eclipse Yellow, Sweety Crazy Yellow or something like that by Uniqso. They're extremely comfortable for like how they look. Fangs. They got fangs in this one. I have a fang tutorial, and then I have the mold tutorial, which is within the fang tutorial. You just cut all the nails across to a spiky. These ones are a little rough because they're the first ones I made. They kind of tilt to the side a little bit. But they do the trick. So there's these, and then the eyebrows are orange. So let's do that. My camera's about to die. So for the orange brows, we're gonna do angry brows. the wiggly ones, you know, and I'm using Simmer from the Vivacious palette.
Just to get dumped on by a cup and up then. Unless all you wanna end up dead. You do not mess with the Cuphead, enough said. 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 You'll never catch me crying over milk that's spilled. My head ain't empty, but who knows which one is real? I took that devilish gamble. Nothing
Alright, so that's for the orange. And the eyebrow. The eyebrows. So now we're starting to look more Cuphead. Do they have anything else? No? If you want to make a prosthetic tongue, I don't know how to do that, but you can do that. You can probably make it out of foam. So now let's pop in the teeth. We'll be at stage 3, baby. So I don't know if I filmed an outro, but this is the finished 3rd stage. This actually took way less time than I thought it would. All 3 stages were done in about an hour. So maybe an hour and a half. So like if you don't do this for a quick little thing, like make some TikToks, then you're set. So stay tuned. If you have any more requests for Hallomemes, Cuphead or otherwise, let me know in the comments, and hopefully I can get those done. You know the bye, subscribe, see you later, all you haters.
And now it's time to put the bibbidi-bibbidi-boo. Any line that you happen to draw is a line I'll be stepping across. Trapped in a world lacking any natural laws. Have you had your coffee yet? Cause I'm off at the walls. My demons need some exercise, a little caffeine now to get them energized. Will we ever get to heaven when we die? Can't get any worse, we already bet our lives. Forget fairy tales, they're fizzing out. I'd like to pick a fight with that prick Mickey Mouse. I'll kick his ass and I'll knock one dizzy out. I'll leave him with a taste of toxic in their mouth.